It's very incredible. Just do it.
No, I can't. It's going to be too deep, so I can't.
You can. You can do anything.
Why didn't you make me do that earlier? That was amazing!
I don't know, Clark. Some people just won't be told.
I don't want to go home. This has been the best. You're glad you came, right?
Yes. You were something else, Clark. I have to tell you something.
I know. I know about Switzerland. I have known for months. Listen, I know this is not how you would have chosen it. But I can make you happy. What?
Clark. I get that this could be a good life. But it's not my life.